Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to learn ukulele notes, only way. Start by learning the 4 open string names, then map fret numbers and intervals across the neck. Use slow chromatic practice and play simple songs to spot note patterns. Apply consistent 5 to 10-minute sessions daily with a focus on reading and ear training. Track progress with short challenges and slowly increase tempo while keeping accuracy as your top priority. In this video, I will show how to learn ukulele notes, only way. Begin mapping the neck by identifying fret landmarks and labeling a few frets mentally. Practice finding notes by counting half and whole steps and link those notes to familiar chord tones for context. Play scales slowly while naming each note, allowed to build both visual and oral memory. Repeat patterns across strings until the neck feels natural and intuitive under your fingers. In this video, I will show how to learn ukulele notes, only way. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for sore feet after long practice sessions, so go darn tough for durable socks and a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy through long rehearsals and keep you focused on music, not blisters. If you want that extra little practice boost, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to learn ukulele notes, only way. Set a simple routine that includes warm-ups, targeted note drills, and a song that uses those notes. Alternate sight reading with ear training so both visual and oral recall improve together. Keep sessions short but regular, and use slow metronome practice to increase accuracy. Celebrate small wins and adjust exercises to focus on any spots that feel uncertain or slow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.